inspired by nature, symbiotic cooperation. Bees gather nectar from flowers for food while spreading pollen, which is essential for the flower's reproduction. The clownfish protects the anemone from predators and, in return, receives shelter and protection from threats. Our intestines are home to trillions of bacteria that help break down food and absorb nutrients, while we provide them with a hospitable environment. Cooperation and interdependence are key to the success of both natural ecosystems and our own well-being. Don't let excess stress ruin this delicate internal system. Furthermore, make sure you live in harmony with your external environment.